LG appliances. Should you be worried? Let me break down LG's reliability across every appliance category. LG refrigerators. The big issue is the linear compressor. LG pioneered this technology for efficiency and quiet operation, but it has a higher failure rate than traditional compressors. Models from roughly 2012 to 2020 were most affected. LG extended the compressor warranty to 10 years on many models due to a class action settlement. Despite this, LG fridges are feature-rich and well-built in other areas. LG washers, generally reliable. Good motors, good build quality. The main issue is the drain pump failing and the door gasket developing mold on front loaders. Both are common across all brands, not just LG. LG dryers, solid machines overall. The FlowSense feature that monitors vent airflow is excellent. Main repairs are thermal fuse and heating element, standard stuff. LG dishwashers, very quiet and generally reliable. Electronics can be finicky, less common in our service area than Samsung or Whirlpool. LG ranges, reliable. Standard issues with igniters on gas models and elements on electric. Nothing unusual. Overall verdict, LG makes good appliances with one notable exception, the refrigerator compressor issue. If you have an LG fridge, check if your compressor is under warranty. For all other LG appliances, they're competitive with Whirlpool and GE in reliability. We repair all LG appliances. OEM parts. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.